Hi everyone, today we've got something really special planned. We're going to Anaga, the magical forest up in the north with our guide Antonio.
Hello, good morning everybody. Let's go to discover the magic forest of Anaga.
Yes, let's go!
Let's go. Before the normal one was
We've had an awesome day. We started off with Gofio tasting, then we went to Anaga forest, which we went right to the heart of the forest with Antonio. It was really magical. Then we had the most delicious tapas with incredible views, and we drove all down the windy little roads and we've ended up here at Las Teresitas beach. Have a look at this. Antonio's been so informative, and so we say a big thanks to him. If you'd love to book this trip, then please let us know, get in touch with us. And now